Welcome, this is Joshua Myers, and this is my Project 7 demonstration.
Here is my customly crafted high-tech Raspberry Pi Tupperware mount. What I did here was I took a piece of Tupperware, I cut a few holes in it for the USB and also for the power, which is connected to my USB power supply here mounted on the bottom. This case had a nice attachment for a tripod, so I took my tripod apart and I used this attachment with a hole through the Tupperware here to attach that so I could suspend the Raspberry Pi upside down, making sure I leave enough room here at the top for the airflow to get through and keep it nice and cool. And then I just used a couple strips of Velcro to mount my GPS and my camera up here.
This is my flight monitor setup. It's a screen recording of my MacBook. On the left, I have a terminal with several tabs open to the Raspberry Pi so I can monitor what's going on with the GPS and the camera. In the upper right is a live stream from the web camera mounted on the quadcopter. And on the lower right is my iPhone recording the flight. And in this terminal here, I have GPX logger going the output redirected to a file. And in this other tab, I have a tail that's following the additions to the file from the GPX logger. That's my daughter there in the upper right, making sure that the live stream is working. She didn't realize I was recording, and she's a little embarrassed, but I'm not going to do the take again. Now I'm just walking over to connect the motors and power on the ESCs. I'll turn the remote on, arm it, see if I can get it to fly. So as you can see, I still have the quadcopter tethered down. That's because last week I had a problem with the mini picks when the mini picks bricked. So this week I went back to the KK controller, got that working, and got it to arm, but I still have not gotten it to fly. So here I just still have the quadcopter tethered down, and I'm trying to get it to just go a couple feet off the ground and tether. And as you see, I still am having trouble getting it to lift off. As you can see, there's a bit of a delay between the video and what happens on the quadcopter, but the video is working, the GPS is working. Got a nice close-up of my lawn there. From here I'm just going to speed up the video because this continued a few times while I attempt to get it to fly. And here is the resulting GPS track. So after I was done attempting to get it to fly, I stopped the GPX logger, SCP'd it off the Raspberry Pi, and uploaded it to this website, ridewithgps.com. So what you see there, the little green arrow is where I powered up the Raspberry Pi, got the GPX logger going, and got it all set up. That's actually in my neighbor's house. Mine is the house closer to where the red flag is. So the GPS was not all that accurate. I got it all set up, took it in between the two houses there, which is what you see in the video, and was attempting to fly. In the upcoming weeks, I will continue to work with the KK multi-controller to see if I can actually get this thing to fly and get it off the ground. I also continue to try to get a more meaningful GPS track and live video, and whatever else it is that I am assigned in the next project to work and hopefully fly. And that concludes my Project 7 demonstration. Hope you enjoyed that video, despite the quadcopter not actually getting off the ground.